Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amrita Gopalakrishnan, Medical Director, Chandran Gurukul Ayurvedic Clinic, Bardubai. Today let's discuss about neck pain and its Ayurvedic management. Neck pain is very common and almost everyone must have experienced a neck stiffness or a pain once in a while. Let's see the causes of the neck pain. Neck stiffness can be happening due to some sudden movements or due to sleep posture. When waking up, the neck becomes sore, and such condition are called neck sprain, and this is happening very commonly, and it is a sudden response. So this is mainly a muscular cause, and it can be treated very well in Ayurvedic treatment methods. And next condition that is very common is myofascial pain syndrome. In this case, there will be trigger points, and especially in both shoulders. When we touch in this point, the patient will be having severe pain, and this is due to repeated stress, like weighing a lift, or due to repeated stress, like sitting in a same position for long hours, up to 9 hours, and this can happen to mainly in the young population. And the next very common condition is cervical spondylosis. This is usually known as wear and tear of cervical disc, and it is usually age related, and most of the patients in the middle age is suffering from neck pain due to this cervical spondylosis. The disc between the vertebra or the spine is losing its water content, and it becomes dry, and there will be small cracks appearing, and due to this, the nerve coming through that spine, it gets compressed, and the pain may radiate to hands. And cervical spondylosis can happen almost for everybody, but symptoms like pain, stiffness, and pain extending to the hands, these are the symptoms which need treatments. And there can be anatomical problems like an extra cervical rib which causes neck pain, and this can be identified through x-rays, and this usually needs surgical intervention if some symptoms is there. Next, we can see about the risk factors of having neck pain, the risk factors which causes neck pain. Next, we will see about risk factors that causes neck pain: smoking, family history of neck pain, previous injuries, jobs like painting or driving, which causes a person to look downwards or upwards constantly, or computer engineers. These all are having neck pain commonly. And drivers susceptible for vibration, especially the heavy vehicle drivers, and they also get neck pain. And due to repeated stress, this neck pain can have other referred pain, it is called, like it will radiate to hands, and it will cause stiffness, and the range of movements are restricted in these cases. Next, we will see about how Ayurveda is managing the neck pain. Ayurveda terms this neck pain as Griva Graha, in which the pain will be located on the neck only, and if it is on the shoulders, it is called Avabahuga, and if it is radiating to the hands, it is called Vishwaji. Usually there will be diet corrections, lifestyle corrections, and exercises, and internal medications, as well as external therapies. Diet usually consists of reducing all the Vata aggravating factors. The neck pain, like any other pain, it is in Ayurveda, it is due to Vata aggravation. So we need to have a diet which will reduce the Vata in the body. And the lifestyle corrections include the sleep positioning, the work desk positioning, and usually people do use oils for hair growth, which are very cold in potency, and this also can cause neck pain, and this also can cause neck pain. And exercises we recommend are usually stretches, and in this case of myofascial pain syndrome, we can stretch the upper trapezius. The trapezius is a muscle of the shoulder, and while doing the therapies, we are giving heat and oil application is there, and during that time the therapist and doctor will instruct the patient to do the stretches, so that the joint becomes more flexible and range of movements are restored. So in the internal medications in Ayurveda usually consist of kashayas, churnas, tablets and gridas also. According to the condition, doctors prescribe this. And the treatments, usually when the treatments are given, we are grouping the patients. Like in the first condition, if there is swelling and everything, swelling and stiffness, we will do the labas or dharas, and when the swelling is reduced, move to snigdha therapies, that is piju, dhara with oil and different kinds of potali, speed chill, and Grivavasti is a specialized treatment for neck pain which involves making a bund and pooling of oil in this bund.